What's going on, guys? gdwarrior here. Hope you guys have a great day. I just wanted to show you something. As you might notice, my exhaust is black, and I just did it myself. It took me maybe, let's say, 2 hours, not even, with preparation and stuff. I did this with the pipes on the bike, so I didn't have to reassemble anything. I basically masked everything up that was, around the exhaust, completely everything. It actually looked funny. I should have taken a picture. But good old high heat ultra rustoleum is what I've been using, and I'm always amazed by the result that comes out of it. I mean, you get a semi-glossy look, right? Here it says extra rich in color, semi-gloss sheen, resists up to 1200 degrees, and this shit is just fucking good, man. I mean, look at this. Looks almost like ceramic coating. It's crazy. Looks really nice. A little closer. Semi-gloss look. Looks really nice in person. Obviously the picture won't do it justice, or the video, but this looks really sweet. High heat ultra. I used only one can. It's more than enough. Also painted my thingy here back in black. I didn't like the red, so it's gotta look mean, right? Alright, that's about it. And if you have questions, just hit me up on my Facebook fan page or so. Send me a message, or you know where else to find me. Alright guys, gdwarrior, I'm out.